everybody, I'm the Gulf Coast Granny, and I'm here today to do a 40 question challenge. And I was tagged by a friend whose channel's name is Flavors and Textures. So if you have a minute, go by and check out her channel. I'll link it in the description box below, okay? The first question is, do I like blue cheese? Yes, I do. I like any kind of cheese. I'm a cheese lady. Do I like Coke or Pepsi? I don't drink sodas. If I do drink sodas, it's usually a root beer. But I am a sweet tea drinker through and through. And it has to be good sweet tea. If I ask you who made the tea, you know you did it wrong. Number 3 is, am I in a relationship? I have been married to Poppy for almost 20 years. February 2nd, Groundhog Day is my anniversary, and it'll be 20 years. Whiskey, tequila, or vodka? I don't drink. I did a little bit when I was younger, but I just never really enjoyed it that much. And back when I was younger, I probably drank more vodka than anything else. Hot dog or cheeseburger? Definitely a cheeseburger. But I don't eat those very often either. I don't do any of this game, do I? My favorite food would have to be sushi. I love sushi. Almost every single kind of sushi. I don't like white tuna. And I don't care for octopus or squid. But any of the other ones, I'm game. What do I drink in the mornings? I usually have 1 cup of coffee. And then the rest of the day, it's sweet tea. Can I do 100 push-ups? Yeah, in 100 days. Granny don't sweat. I'm not doing a push-up. I'm too old for that nonsense. My favorite season. Well, I'm a gardener, and I think spring, of course, would be one of my favorite seasons, but I think it's fall, to be honest with you. I don't know. Between fall and spring I get so excited. But in the fall, it's such a nice break from the hot summers that we have here in South Mississippi. My favorite hobby is gardening, and I also crochet, and I love to crochet, and I love to crochet and give it away. Do I have any tattoos? 1. I have 1 tattoo, and nobody will ever see it unless I invite them to see it. And that's not going to happen either. Yes, I wear glasses. That was question 12. Number 13 is, do I have any phobias? Oh my goodness. I am extremely claustrophobic. I am so claustrophobic that I can't even stand anybody very close to my face. I have no nicknames. My favorite candy, Tootsie Rolls. Number 16 is, do I believe in ghosts? Yes. No. I'm on the fence. My biggest downfall. Oh wow. I'm as stubborn as a mule. That's probably it. Rain or snow? Rain waters my garden. I lived in Virginia for a while, and we had snow a couple times a year as a rule, and I didn't mind it. It was beautiful when I was sitting in the living room watching it fall out the window, but I didn't like to get out in it. So, rain. Do I have any piercings? I have 1 hole in this ear and 2 holes in this ear, and it's a funny story. I'll tell you why. I went to get my ears double pierced when I was 18 because my parents would not allow me to do it before then. So the lady who was piercing my ears was doing it with a gun. And I had never had them pierced with a gun before. When I was a kid, I was probably 5 years old or so. And I got them pierced. They just popped it right through like they do now at the piercing shops. That lady put the gun up to my ear and pulled the trigger, and fire shot through my whole side of my head. And I was like, oh, heck no. You're not touching the other side. And she says, well, I still have to charge you the same amount. I said, I don't care what you charge me. You are not getting a hold of my other ear. And I walked out of there with one earring pierced and the other one not. So that's kind of a funny story. French fries or onion rings? I'd have to say French fries. I don't know though, nothing really beats a good onion ring. I like them both. Do I have kids? I have 7 children. Wow. 3 girls and 4 boys. 5 of them are grown and 2 still live at home. And I have 2 grandbabies now. So that's 9. My favorite color, that's a hard choice, and I can't make it because I love all color. I love reds, I love blues, some blues. I love bright colors, dark colors, you name it, I like it. Can I sing? I used to be able to sing really well, but as I've aged, I've lost quite a bit of that. Can I whistle? I can whistle, but I have to use my fingers. God, I hope I didn't wake my kids up, because if I did, they're gonna start running in here wanting to know what the heck the problem is. Nope, it's okay. It's okay. Go back to bed. I've used whistling as a parenting tool most of my adult life. And when my kids hear me whistle, they come running from everywhere, even the adults. I was born in Florida. I have 3 brothers who are younger than me. I can cook, and I'm fairly good at it. I can swim. I like to swim. And I actually learned how to water ski when I was just a little girl. Am I religious? No. Do I prefer a shower or a bath? Depends on the purpose. To get clean, I like to be in the shower. But to relax and enjoy some quiet time, I like a bath. Do I prefer big city or nature? I'm going to definitely say nature. As long as there are no bears around. I'm petrified of bears too. Am I a good friend? Not really. I have so many obligations with my family and Poppy that I don't have time to make a lot of friends. I do have 2 very, very good friends that I've had for years, and I love them dearly. I just wish I could participate in their lives a little more than I'm able to. Have I had any broken bones? Yes. I was in a car accident when I was 16, broke my leg in 4 places, and I'm lucky to still have it. It took a long time to recover, and I'll never forget it. How many TVs do I own? 3. The worst pain I've ever experienced. That's a tie between the broken leg and giving birth to my last child. That was terrible. It bordered on traumatic, and I'm still in denial. And question number 37 is, do I like to dance? I do love to dance, but Poppy and I really don't go to many places where you can dance. We don't hang out in bars. We just don't go anywhere that we can do that. I mean, the kitchen. We can dance in the kitchen. Do I like camping? Yes. But there's a caveat. I have to have a comfortable bed. It must be in either a travel trailer or something similar. I'm not camping in a tent. And I really need hot water. Am I weird? Probably. Number 40 says to tag 6 friends. I'll go back to question 33. I don't have a lot of friends. But I do have a couple of people in mind that I'd like to tag. One is Marcel over at A Little Fish in the Kitchen. She has a great cooking channel. I just watched one of her videos today, and she put together a mini muffaletta sandwich, and I just thought it was wonderful, and I think I'm going to have those for lunch tomorrow. So I'll put her link in the description below, and please go check out her channel because it's really a nice channel. Another channel that I'd like to tag is Lynn over at My Goat Shed Life. She turned a goat shed into her little home, and it's the coolest thing. She does gardening videos, talks about the maintenance on her home, and she's a really funny lady, and her videos are a lot of fun. One of my favorite ones was when she made a scarecrow in her garden, and you'll have to go watch it to see. It was a really cute video. So please go check out her channel as well. It's really late at night. I'm surprised I'm up this late, so I'm going to go off to bed. Y'all have a great evening, and I'll talk to you again real soon, all right?